Welcome back to a brand new video in a hotel room. So we are up in Peterborough. I'm doing my open reach training in Peterborough at the minute. I've got like a week here. And who lives in Peterborough? Dan lives in Peterborough. And what's Dan just got? A new turbo. So he's got the S280 and it's been mapped by, I think it's DWA, but obviously when we meet up with him he'll tell us all the specs. But it's mapped by DWA, which is a supplier of TRS tuning. So fingers crossed, it'll be an amazing package. Now then, I'm going to have to wait for him to finish work because I finished training quite early. So I'm going to go basically onto my laptop, do some work on there. This is filmed. This is filmed on my phone. So if the quality is weird and better, let me know. But it is on my phone, so it might be a bit shaky. I might be doing this a lot. Oh my God, it looks like I'm nodding when I do that. So yeah, obviously it's going to be front-facing camera for this kind of shots, and then obviously we can do rear-facing to do all this kind of stuff. So yeah, this is my room. Welcome. This is me. This is how I live when I go away. I have a dirty pile and I have a clean pile. Yeah, welcome to my room. No, we're going to do a little vlog today. Why not? Just about to eat a little cup of noodle. Bathroom. So yeah. Anyway, it's going to be a bit of a vlog today rather than a good video. Anyway, we'll cut to when Dan appears in his car. I think when you leave your hotel and you see that in your car park, that they're all questioning what's going on right now. Oh no, he's got them. He's got the pops. You can be a proper ASPO now. I love how we've all been through it, where we've said, where we say like, you know, we're not going to do like, we don't really like the pop and bangs. Like, occasionally it's nice, and then just bang, like all of a sudden pop and bangs for us all. That's hilarious. So like I said, I'm filming this on my camera, which is going to be very unstable, so you're going to have loads of shaky footage. So yeah, tell me what you've done to your car since we last saw you putting on the limited slip diff, I guess.
So it's got the S280 in it now. Well, I moved to TRS first because I wanted to put the S280 in.
Yep.
And then essentially it was a case of buying the S280, waiting to have it fitted, sitting with it in my bedroom for about a month, and now it's on. There's no looking back. I think anyone who's even remotely considering it should do it. The car's completely different. I mean, I know people say this, like, getting the remap first time round does make the car different.
Yeah.
And then you stage 2 again, you know, you get a bit more of the consistent torque being applied, but this is just something else.
It's one of those it's a weird one because obviously it's a bigger turbo. Obviously normally it takes longer to spool up a little bit, so it does create a different car rather than you know, just different power band almost, if you know what I mean. So we've obviously stage 2, you still got a stock turbo, it's still spooling up the same as it was pretty much.
And then obviously, like, the thing that I quite liked is low down, like if you're just cruising or something, the car feels far more planted and easy to control at low speeds, which is just quite a nice bonus of also being able to go at stupid speeds. It's like a little advantage.
So what's their deal with mapping? Because I hear a lot of times you go in for mapping, they'll map it and then you'll come back like weeks later. Is yours like finished? Is it still, do you think you'll be, it's literally done?
I mean, you can go back and have it tweaked, you know. I might put, well, like I said, in the
It's got remarkably louder.
Yeah. Turbo's made a huge difference.
Yeah. I forgot how much it a turbo obviously got more. Okay, that's brilliant.
Yeah.
That is brilliant. This car is absolutely amazing. I don't know how much footage I'm going to be able to use in car because of obviously I'm just bouncing literally up and down constantly because I'm holding a phone. Like I said, I'm away from home, so I can't really do much with that. But it's just going to do a flyby now. And I have a feeling it's going to be insane. But yeah, we'll see. What side of the road should I get on? What's down this side? What's down this side? Like I said, it's a bit more of a vlog rather than like a car review. Hopefully I can come back up here at some point and do a car review specifically. So kind of with proper cameras, stick some GoPros on his car, that kind of thing. I just had a fly on me. And then we'll go from that. But yeah, he's just spinning around now and we'll see kind of how it goes. Yeah, this is going to be amazing. I'm going to get that nice and low for this. It's going to be incredible. The noise is insane. That sounds amazing. Yeah, when you see this, mate, don't change your exhaust because I know obviously it's a Remus exhaust, which I think is 2.5 inch, but that sounds incredible. I don't care what size exhaust you've got, it sounds wicked. So yeah, don't change your exhaust. No need. Not subtle. No one could ever say this is a subtle pop and bang or a mild pop and bang. I understand you can get the ones that are literally just like one really loud bang.
Yeah. But
it doesn't sound like popcorn, which is good.
Yes,
exactly.
That's
nice.
What I mean. Yeah.
It does sound nice.
Yes.
And let's face it, as many people complain about pop and bang, we all want pop and bang.
Yeah. I mean, obviously it'd be nice if it was a completely organic. You know,
yeah.
But at the end of the day, you do what you do.
I feel like I'm in a bloody rally car. I bet the camera's acting like I'm in a rally car as well. Wow.
Yeah.
That's okay. Yeah, that's the first time I've been in your car with the mid-slip diff as well.
Yeah.
And you could feel it tugging you around the corner when you're doing it.
Yeah, I mean you feel it more if you go fully off.
Yeah.
Goodness. This guy's going to ruin fun, isn't he?
How does that work? Because I've always seen it, I've never understood how it actually works. So
once
literally
you hit fully up in the RPM,
yeah.
So right on your limit, so that's around 7, probably 7.5.
Yeah.
Foot down on your
literally just
Clutch.
flat out, foot down on the clutch,
Yep.
shift,
Yep.
release clutch,
Yep.
shoot yourself.
Yeah. So you think your clutch and box don't go through.
Yeah. I mean, that was... I legit felt like I was in a rally car. That road is insane, and this car is insane. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh wow, okay, that felt great. Yeah, no, that feels brilliant round corners. Jeez. Okay, first time in a long time that I've been in a car that's kind of caught me off guard in terms of words. I'm not really sure what to say. That's cool.
Yeah.
Money well spent there, mate.
Yeah.
Money well spent. Okay. I was saying to him, obviously this is once again a bit of a weird video. I was saying to him that this is the first time I've done a car thing since I announced the video of whether I should stop YouTube and stuff. This is the first car thing that I've done that I've actually been excited about. To the point where, you know, like going out in the car, it actually put a smile on my face. Like, it's cool. And yeah, I don't know, it's... Let me get my room. It's amazing. The map is amazing. Fair play. TRS, you've done a wicked job, which I think is Peter Trinder? I don't know. Pete, done an amazing job. Yeah, the map feels awesome. It feels very, like, to me, feels up and like, enjoy that torque. Definitely takes longer to spool, 100%. Even, I would say, even compared to my RC330, I would say the S280 takes a little bit longer to spool, or it feels like it's taking a little bit longer to spool. But once again, we're talking margins. We're talking like the difference between like 3K and like 3.5, 4, which in the grand scheme of you putting your foot down isn't that long. I don't obviously know the exact figures. We'd have to put it on a dyno and work it all out and blah blah blah. So obviously this is me just completely speaking bullshit right now. But yeah, like I was saying while walking down the hallway, it's the first time I've been really happy doing a car thing, and it's almost because I'm so happy for Dan, because I know he's saved up for this, and he's waited and you know, it's like his baby. He's wrapped his car, he's put a limit slip diff, like he's prepared this car for this moment. And I mean, it feels like a rally car. It is fantastic. The exhaust sound fantastic, the turbo sounds fantastic. Once again, I've strived to tell you guys, once you reach stage 3, power isn't everything. Even though it's an S280, it's got what I assume is pretty much the most power you can currently get out of a turbo. Power isn't everything. You need to enjoy your car, you need to enjoy the feel of it, you need to enjoy the sound of it. Like, it's, you know, you've got multiple senses, like you want that in a car. And I would say Dan's car does that. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys there. A little bit of a vlog. I don't know how much footage is actually inside the car. Sorry if you feel sick by the end of this with me doing this all the time. Hey, I can't help it, because once again, I'm away for work and didn't bring any camera equipment because I'm dumb. See you guys soon.